What is carbon? Carbon is the currency of energy exchange. The concentration have been continuously increasing since the Industrial Revolution, leading the greenhouse effect. Background of study. The increase in the amount of greenhouse gas through emission from industries, power plant, automobiles and other natural resources affected the world environment. Concentration of carbon dioxide gone up from 280 to 360 ppm in the last century. The potential increase in carbon dioxide over the next century is expected to come from the developing countries, leads to unexpected changes in vegetation, melting of ice and water level increasing in seas and change in rainfall pattern all over the world. As India is one of the signatories of Kyoto Protocol, it is very essential to minimize carbon dioxide emission in the atmosphere. Sequestration of CO2. Sequestration of CO2 is one of the major steps for such efforts, and developed countries have initiated programs in this direction. Conventional way on CO2 sequestration are energy intensive. Physical, chemical and biological methods need to be developed, tested and applied for the sequestration of CO2. Again, storage of CO2 is problematic and long-term environmental safety is unknown. Biological sequestration of CO2. The biological process of photosynthesis, autotrophic metabolism and methane formation are possible. Carbon dioxide fixation by photosynthesis using plants requires huge space, time and cannot be done on a closed system. The algae have some limitation, including toxicity of unwanted substance in the polluted gas. It requires huge space and time. A process or a technology is required which can resolve technical, environmental and economical uncertainties. Proposed process: anaerobic capture of carbon dioxide. It is also called biomethanation process. Here, the CO2 is converted to methane with the help of with the supply of H2 and with the help of methane producing bacteria. The methanogens are archaea and obligate anaerobes. Converts about 80% of carbon dioxide to methane. Thus, the work was initiated. Microbiology of methane production. Here, there are 5 groups of bacteria which involve in the production of biological methane production process. The first group is fermentative bacteria. This bacteria converts the complex substance into simpler substance. The second group of bacteria is called obligate hydrogen producing anaerobic bacteria, which is hydrogen and carbon dioxide. The group 3 is hydrogen oxidizing acetobacteria, produce of acetate from H2 and CO2. These 3 groups involved together produce hydrogen, CO2 and acetic acid. The conversion of these into methane is carried out by the group 4 and group 5 bacteria. The group 4 bacteria is carbon dioxide reducing methanogens. Here the bacteria converts the CO2 and with the help of H2 into methane. In the group 5 as acetic methanogens. Here the bacteria converts the acetic acid directly into methane. These are the photos of methane producing bacteria under microscope. Composition of gas in the polluted air: carbon dioxide, oxygen, removing using O2 trap using copper fillings, NOx, SOx and particle matters. This is the simple process flow of my model. Here, the flue gas is entered to the water column cum filter and filtered the particle matters. Then it reaches the oxygen scrubber where the copper fillings are heated to absorb the oxygen molecules. Then the NOx, SOx and the carbon dioxide mixed gas travel to SOx and NOx trap where these 2 gases are filtered. Then only CO2 travel to the methane producing tank. Here the pebbles absorb the methane producing bacteria which convert the CO2 with the help of hydrogen to methane. Silent features of the project: improved standards of living and novel innovative technology that provide an effective carbon neutral fuel sources. Promising method not only for recycling of the gas but also for production of an alternative fuel, carbon dioxide conversion to fuel, environmental biocleaning process, reduction of greenhouse gas, renewable source of energy used in agriculture, automobile industries and households. This is a process or a technology which can resolve the technical, environment and economical uncertainties. Thank you.